Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to take a look at the ThermalTake's TR2 700 watt power supply. During this video we are going to be taking a look at this PSU with a different light as to what you'd normally be used to, so I hope you enjoy my perspective on reviewing this PSU. The TR2 700W is the latest mainstream power supply series from ThermalTake, with the 80+ silver certification and available in 380 watts, 450 watts, 500 watts, 600 watts and 700 watt versions. But please be aware, not all of these versions are available on all the markets. So holding the box is lighter than you may be used to, so please don't let that put you off. This PSU comes with what seems to be the normal 24-pin motherboard connection, one 8-pin ATX connection, two VGA cables with two 8-pin connections which can obviously split down into two 6-pin connections, two cables which have connections for up to 6 SATA devices, 5 Molex and one floppy disk drive. As before mentioned, this power supply is 80+ certified and has a life expectancy of over 100,000 hours and comes with a 3-year warranty. But please guys, remember to check if you're buying the right PSU for your country, because you may need to purchase an additional kettle lead to power on your PC like I did for mine. Lesson learned. Well, this power supply is very quiet and lightweight and does the job perfectly. However, what is a review if I can't pick out the bad points? Well, straight away what does put me off is the ketchup and mustard cables. Also, the 8-pin ATX connection I think is a little too short. I had to play around with the cable's positionings to get that extra ½ inch I needed to connect the cable. The 24-pin wiring seems rather tightly bound also, and seemed quite hard to bend back on itself to make the connection to the motherboard, but once it was made it was steady as a rock. And lastly, I do think scrapping the 5 Molex and 1 floppy power connections and leaving us with 1 Molex connection and 11 SATA connections instead would be the way forward. But this is a budget PSU and we can't expect all the bells and whistles. So priced at around 45 to 55 British pounds, having the connections, the 80+ silver certification, 3 years warranty and long lifespan, for all you budget builders out there, this is for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this different style of power supply review. I wanted to get across factors that I believe are quite often left out of other PSU reviews. But please feel free to let me know in the comment section below if this review really did help you out. But unfortunately guys, that's all we have time for today in this video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to give it a thumbs down if you didn't. And why not subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. So until then, bye for now.